Winter weather advisory remains in effect from noon today to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 16 inches with locally higher amounts possible. Where? Wasatch Plateau Book Cliffs, western Uinta Mountains, Wasatch Mountains south of I-80 and Wasatch Mountains I-80 north. When? From noon today to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. Impacts. Winter driving conditions including snow-covered roads and reduced visibility can be expected along all mountain routes, including I-80 over Parley's summit. Slow down and use caution while traveling. For graphical depictions of the snowfall forecast, including official National Weather Service forecast, high-end amount, and low-end amount, visit weather.gov/Salt Lake City/winter. For winter road conditions from the Utah Department of Transportation, visit http://www.traffic.utah.gov/roadweatherforecast.aspx or dial 511. The Forest Service Utah Avalanche Center in Salt Lake City has issued a backcountry avalanche watch which is in effect from 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time this morning to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday. What? The avalanche danger is expected to rise to high on Saturday. Where? The mountains of northern Utah including the Wasatch Range, Bear River Range, and the Uinta Mountains. When? From 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time this morning to 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Saturday impacts. Heavy snowfall tonight and tomorrow will overload a very weak snowpack and create very dangerous avalanche conditions. Stay off of and out from under slopes steeper than 30 degrees. Backcountry travelers should consult www.avalanchecenter.org or call 1-888-999-4019 for more detailed information. This watch does not apply to ski areas where avalanche hazard reduction measures are performed.